Leopard Imaging is a global leader in embedded intelligent vision system design and manufacturing. We specialize in the research and development of image processing technology, which is essential for the production of state-of-the-art vision systems in automotive, robotics, aviation, AI edge solutions, AIoT, agriculture, automation, metaverse, and many other industries. Established in 2008 in Silicon Valley, we have since expanded our global offices, R&D centers, and factories in America, Asia, and Europe. As of today, we have developed over 5,000 imaging products for customers and partners all around the world. Some of our notable partners and customers include Sony, onsemi, OmniVision, Samsung, Panasonic, NVIDIA, Amazon, Microsoft, Qualcomm, Ambarella, AMD, Intel, and many more. The R&D team of Leopard Imaging has obtained more than 100 intellectual property patents. The core members of the team have over a decade of experience in research, development, and management. Leopard Imaging has made great achievements in ISP image tuning, 3D data acquisition, ToF camera-related R&D, as well as 3D imaging, image algorithm optimization, and application. Leopard Imaging has successfully developed and integrated AI platforms in its own imaging systems, including NVIDIA Jetson, NVIDIA Drive, Ambarella, Qualcomm, Intel, Socionext, NXP, Horizon Robotics, and others. Leopard Imaging has always prioritized the quality of its products since its establishment. It has been certified with IATF 16949 for automotive industry, AS 9100D for aerospace industry, ISO 9001 System Management Compliance, ISO 14001 for Environmental Sustainability Management, and High Quality Electronics Manufacturing by the Institute for Printed Circuits Association. In addition, the company takes pride in its well-equipped factories in the US and in Asia. Its professional SMT production facilities are equipped with automatic loading machines, printing machines, SPIs, mounters, reflow furnaces, AOI, and other advanced equipment to produce PCBAs and relevant products. Our Class 1000 dust-free assembly workshop is equipped with high-precision machinery like active alignment machines, image performance testers, automatic dispensing machines, hot air drying ovens, LED UV ovens, focus light boxes, air tightness testers, ensuring that the diversified production requirements from our customers are satisfied efficiently and effectively. Leopard Imaging has complete state-of-the-art equipment to test the reliability of our products, including ESD testers, cold and hot impact test boxes, drop test machines, 3-in-1 comprehensive vibration test equipment, pull-in vibration test machines, cargo transportation vibration test machines, high-low temperature humidity test chambers, dust-proof test boxes, waterproof test boxes, and much more. Customers can be assured that every product Leopard Imaging delivers is of the highest standard. Leopard Imaging is a pioneer and a leader in the intelligent vision industry with its manufacturing capacity, market share, product quality, technology, and many more achievements to fulfill its mission: intelligent vision for a better world.